everything sucks. Just kidding, everything is great. No, really, I haven't thought about my ex today. Oh wait, fuck, I just did. But I went outside for the first time in a few days, and it felt nice, and I might try doing exercise. Not really. Yeah.
Edno Beats Production.
Habang buhay na ako sa'yo, kaya ipakilala mo na ako sa mama mo. Kasi yung tulad ko, ay di pala okay.
Ganda ng hugis ng iyong katawan, paano ka aayawan? Natutulala pag nilalambing mo ako pagtapos pa sasayuan. Alam ko naman na may lalaki kang iba, di mo ko masisi kung sa'yo ako masaya ka.
Spend money like it don't mean nothing, and besides I got a thing for you. I see you whining.